A sluggish toilet flush usually means something is restricting water or airflow somewhere between the bowl and the sewer. A partial clog in the trap is the most common cause and can often be cleared by using a flange plunger with firm, steady pumps while maintaining a tight seal to push the obstruction through rather than just compressing it. Mineral buildup from hard water in the siphon jet or rim holes reduces the initial rush of water that creates siphon action, so inspect the rim holes with a small mirror and clear deposits using white vinegar soaked in the tank for several hours, or mechanically remove buildup with a flexible wire if needed. Low water level in the tank leads to insufficient water flow into the bowl, so adjust the fill valve or replace a worn refill assembly to raise the water line to the manufacturer recommended mark, and confirm the flapper seats and lifts fully for maximum discharge. Venting problems or partial blockages in the soil stack can slow drainage and produce gurgling. Check other fixtures for simultaneous slow drainage, and if present, arrange for a professional vent or drain inspection and cleaning. Long runs of obstructed drain pipe from tree roots or collapsed sections will reduce flow and require a camera inspection to identify location and severity before digging or pipe replacement. Always work with a water shutoff, and avoid chemical drain cleaners that can damage plumbing and finishes. Use mechanical methods first and call a licensed plumber when in doubt. The three most common mistakes are relying on chemical cleaners, which can corrode traps and seals, assuming the tank is the only culprit when venting or sewer line issues exist, and using improper plunging technique that worsens blockages. If you have a chemical overuse problem, stop immediately and neutralize with plenty of water, then switch to mechanical clearing or professional help. If other fixtures are slow, check vents and call for a diagnostic camera inspection rather than repeatedly plunging the toilet. If plunging is ineffective, change to a flange plunger, maintain a tight seal, use slow, steady pumps, and avoid aggressive jerks that can spread the clog deeper. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share real project experiences. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and others trade troubleshooting tips, contractor recommendations, and before and after photos.